In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly set up flags in your Gmail inbox. This simple yet effective process can help streamline your email management, making it easier to keep track of important messages and prioritize your responses. So let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. If you haven't already signed into your account, go ahead and do so now by entering your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you should see your inbox displaying your most recent emails. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a selection of folders and labels. What we'll be doing is creating a label that functions as a flag for important emails. To start, scroll down to the section labeled Manage Labels and click on More. This will expand the menu, revealing additional options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see the Create New Label button. Click that. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your label. For simplicity and clarity, you might want to name it something like Starred or Important. Once you've chosen a name, click Create. You'll notice your new label appearing under the Labels section on the left. Now, let's talk about how to apply this label to your emails. Return to your inbox and identify an email you'd like to flag. Hover over it, and you'll see a small checkbox appear on the left side. Click this box to select the email. With the email selected, you'll notice a toolbar appearing at the top of your inbox. Look for an icon that resembles a label. It's normally a rectangle with a small point on one side. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu listing all your available labels, including the one you just created. Find your new label in this list and click on it. You'll see that the label gets applied to the email, effectively flagging it for easy tracking. Whenever you want to see all your important emails, simply click on the label name in the menu on the left side of your screen. This will show you all the emails you've flagged with this label, making it much easier to manage and prioritize. As a final tip, remember, you can assign multiple labels to a single email if necessary. This can be particularly useful if an email fits into more than one category or requires attention from different aspects of your work or personal life. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to set up flags in your Gmail inbox. By using labels as flags, you can stay organized and ensure that important messages never slip through the cracks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.